they wanted to
Why have they
derail the
not taken-
process, and they want to terrorize the judicial officers who are impartial.
These are your officials not taking the Chief Justice's calls, Mr. Naidu. I hope the conference is going well.
Nobody would expect that people would be, judicial officers would be taken for ransom, held hostage. And such is this Jungle Raj. None of the days of your
Don't tell
lordships.
Mr. Naidu.
This is what
We
they
are
have done
not
it.
like you.
I know.
We are not like you. We are not like you.
The officials have been transferred, my lords. The Election Commission is now tasked with this. The district collector was transferred. The local IPS officers have all been transferred. It is not like, we...
There is somebody else. As if
Oh,
only one
let's-
officer can conduct
transferred outside.
law and order duty.
Millets, before the Honorable High Court of Calcutta, a bill was filed on the same question that officers have been transferred, and that bill was dismissed. And court said even more experienced people have been appointed in their places. Administration has not come to a standstill. And the Honorable Chief Justice of Calcutta High Court was aware that earlier a judicial officer was threatened, and now it has come to the physical as well. I may be pardoned, Millets, I'm out of country in a conference. That's why, Millets, I'm not in the formal dress.
Mr. Naidu, we are fully conscious of the powers and the exercise of the powers by the Election Commission, and we are not at all commenting on that. What we are commenting is that the persons who are entrusted now
Yes.
with the maintenance of law and order need to be more vigilant. That's all. It makes no good hearing here to say that we are dissociating ourselves.
No, we are not.
Nobody is
We are
saying
not.
that.
There are leaders who are leading the political executive of the state. We are here to protect the special officers.
Absolutely,
Yes.
no
Special
doubt.
officers,
Yes, ma'am.
special
A lot of
officers.
people have trusted them.
And the Honorable
Absolutely.
Chief Justice said, their orders are deemed to be orders of our court.
Yes.
So
Yes,
any
There's no
action
question about
in
it.
discharge of the official
It's
duty
contempt.
Be contempt.
Contempt.
Would be contempt.
Yes, no doubt about
My
it.
lords.
actually scuttles the entire effort.
Yes.
Dispirits the judicial officers.
It's an
who-
affront to the majesty of the
I
Supreme
deny.
Court.
Yes, no doubt about it.
And Millets, almost day to day, my lords have been monitoring that one,
Take note of
including
this
the Honorable
and
Calcutta High
whatever
Court.
necessary.
And kindly see the audacity.
Whatever necessary, Mr. Naidu.
Indeed,
from
Millets.
whatever quarter.
We are grateful for that,
ensure
Millets.
the
We need to protect
security
ourselves. We need to
and
protect the judicial officers.
Instill confidence of these judicial officers so that they can complete the verification by the scheduled time.
Indeed,
Correct.
Millets.
Without fear.
Naturally.
Without fear.
Naturally.
Because
Naturally.
that
Without
appears to be the purpose.
It was imperative upon the state administration to immediately inform the Election Commission of India what central and seek assistance and seek the central forces and seek deployment of the central forces to ensure safety of the judicial officers
And the family members.
whenever necessary.
And the family members. We had one bad experience. Joint Director CBI's house was garrowed and he was under a siege till the Home Secretary of Union sent central forces to
When is
bring the
this?
family out. It's an affidavit before your lordships.
No, but that's
Some other
another
process.
matter. No, nothing happened
So
to that.
family also, my lord, should
These
be
But that's in a different matter. Nobody has.
Functionaries who my lord, the Chief Justice mentioned, these are transferred officials put in there by the ECI.
They are worthless.
You're absolutely right, my lord. They should have answered the phone.
They have not been imported from the other country.
My lords, these three individuals were appointed on 15th and 16th of March. My only suggestion is let it be personal affidavits of these three.
Yes.
Millets,
West Bengal,
it is
the SSP, the deputy collector, all were the state of.
Correct. So these three should file personal, let it be personal affidavits.
Millets,
my lord,
it's
Because they have
only
to give
to
an
derail
explanation.
the process
Very
and to
Why
drive
did
very
not
sorry
get
into their hearts.
If the Chief Justice says that I am not able to get the mobile number of the Chief
Then-
Secretary, it's shocking.
Yes.
And it should not have happened. There's no
Duty
question
Let
transfer
the
about it.
government have
Let
no say
personal
in these
affidavits
Millets.
come.
Why is he not taking the Chief Justice's call?
Let the government have no say. The Honorable Chief Justice of
We are not
Calcutta
having
has
a
been
say.
aware.
That's why we are saying
and
personal
Election Commission
affidavits.
will take all remedial
They
steps.
are answerable, my lords, to the people, to the Election
Millets,
Commission.
they wanted to
Why have they
derail the
not taken-
process, and they want to terrorize the judicial officers who are impartial.
These are your officials not taking the Chief Justice's calls, Mr. Naidu. I hope the conference is going well.
Nobody would expect that people would be, judicial officers would be taken for ransom, held hostage. And such is this Jungle Raj. Let a crime be registered against these miscreants, Millets, so that it will serve as a
My
lesson.
lord, family members
cannot
also.
go
because the
scot-free.
next-
Yes, Mr. Naidu?
Millets, my lords may observe a word of assurance and encouragement to the judicial officers who are in a state of fear now. Some reassurance from your lordships that your lordships have been watching and then they are protected.
Malaz, may I make a small request, Malaz, if you obviously don't mind.
May I make one
Your
request to your
Lordships have in the
lordship?
course of
Can
the
I
order
make
mentioned that a complete breakdown on law and order, Malaz. I request you to modify that. That's my request, Malaz.
My lords, that's
We
a
have other
naked truth.
repercussions.
May I,
That's a
Connotation.
naked truth.
may I make one
Anybody
request to your
Be
lordship?
specific
seen
to
over
only
there.
One, leave it now. I'm making a request. Why do you?
They are
It's
throwing
my
a
request.
challenge to the authority
One
of this
second.
honorable court.
It's a request I'm making, Malaz, your lordship.
Either
But
may,
if
my
this
way
is
or no
not,
way.
I'm posing a question to myself, what there can be.
Yesterday, what has happened? At least at that place, do you think that there was? a
At
plan
that
for-
place, I can understand, Malaz, but when your lordship, Malaz, with respect, Malaz,
Without observation, they are bound to have.
My
please
lord,
do
may
that,
I,
Malaz.
may I
Otherwise,
make one request?
it has repercussions, Malaz.
No, we have not used the word in this state. We have used.
No, there cannot be any
My lord, may I
logic.
Lordships have
make
said
one-
it can be
My
misinterpreted.
lord,
It
my
can
lord,
be
may I make one
misinterpreted. It's my
submission?
only request, Malaz, that your lordships may just
We understand your submission, we will take care.
deeply obliged.
We still, we are
May I
requesting
make
this,
one submission to your lordship?
that people
May I
should.
make one submission to your lordship, my lord? May I make one submission to your lordship, my lord?
Yes, Mr. Kalyan, yeah.
My lord, kindly, just one thing. If this is the incident which has happened, it is extremely shocking. Nobody is supporting that, and whether it has been who has done it, all steps should be taken against them. There is no difficulty. But
Whosoever
one
they-
thing is this, my lord, I want to take
Very easy to deny and denounce
my
it
lords.
after.
one thing,
incident.
Mr. Mehta.
Now
I am kindly,
everybody wants to.
Mr. Mehta.
Now
No,
everybody
no,
wants
Mr.
to
Mehta,
play
Mr.
saint.
Mehta.
Now
My lord,
everybody
now
wants to play saint.
after 15, my lord, after 15, they almost everything has been taken away by the election commission. Therefore, kindly, therefore, if your lordships make
My lords,
responsible
these
to the
very
state government,
persons
it's all
have
right.
gone before.
By the
My
election,
lords,
please,
my lords,
please,
there's a sinister
this
plan.
is because of the
These very
provocation of the
persons,
election.
my lords, these very persons have filed bills before the Honorable High Court of Calcutta. They have challenged
That's
the
why we have-
transfer
Every day,
orders.
election
They
commissioner is
called the
making
names of election
provocative
commission.
statement.
My lords,
Every day,
when
election
The
commission.
sum and
My lord,
substance
election
of the
commission.
state is,
when the
the
Honorable High
state's
Court has
answer
reviewed,
is
No, no, Mr.
that
Naidu.
except 5
No, no.
officials,
You are in
rest
charge.
of the officials
If
of
there
the
is a
same
failure,
cadre are useless
if there
and
is a
ineffective.
failure,
Cannot
Lord,
run the
if there is a
administration
failure on the
without the
part
fighting.
of law and order, this is a failure on the part of the election commission. They have chosen their own man and
These are the-
scripted.
these are the
This is a
rabble
failure
rousers.
part of the election
These are the
commission.
rabble rousers
Don't
who have
say,
instigated the
Mr.
mob.
Naidu, yes,
They have instigated the
most,
mob
no,
and
this
created
is
this
election
situation.
commission.
Just
Chief
because,
election commissioner has taken
just
it
because,
personally. My lord
just
is
because
saying
the
that why
Honorable Court
West
said,
Bengal?
Now
Because
it's
chief
over
election
now.
commissioner has taken it personally.
just because the Honorable Court has not yielded to their illegal demands, they wanted to demonstrate that they could do anything, even under the gaze of your
Don't tell
lordships.
Mr. Naidu.
This is what
We
they
are
have done
not
it.
like you.
I
We
know.
are not like you. We are not like you.
Obliged, Malaz.
Obliged. Great.